thing we've been very conscious of is the concern for our pharma companies, particularly in the international markets, at the kind of prices they're fetching for their medicaments.
Yeah.
And that's continuing, the margins continue to shrink. So how do we create technologies which still affords a level of cost effectiveness in serving market needs? So that's an area we focused in, and we are arguably one of the few companies which work with educational institutes, and we believe this is going to power a lot of the innovation we do.
Right.
I mean, you can imagine, we send spacecrafts out somewhere, a fraction of the cost is costed the Americans.
Yes, absolutely.
And we say, why can't we do that also with our equipment here?